family, peace and serenity to everyone. Thank you for coming back to my channel. My name is Sissy, Sissy, and on this channel I talk about everything about spirituality, African spirituality. And I'm originally from Ghana, from the Ashanti tribe. So I'll talk about akooooo. We call it akooooo. So if you are interested to know more about African spirituality, and I talk about the accessories, the jewelries that goes with it, the crystals, gemstones. So if you are interested, stay tuned and hit the subscribing button. Thank you. Join the family. And also, please, if you can support, the link is in the description box, to support my work, to support me on Patreon. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's start. So today I asked the ancestors, God of universe, my ancestors, your ancestors, our ancestors, to guide us the week ahead, the week of from 12 to 18, so Monday to Sunday of April 2021. What kind of energy is going to be around in general, and what do we need to know, what we need to be aware, what we need to focus on. So the first card that came out is the Empress. I hope you can see it right. Like this. Yeah, it's a bit better. And the Empress is all about motherhood, pregnancy. You heard it right. Pregnancy, motherhood, fertility, not nurturing. So the week 12 of April to 18, 2021, the energy, the first card was Empress. It's all about motherhood, as I said earlier, and we need to for those who are already mothers or fathers, mothers and fathers, parents, you need to be aware of the way you communicate with your children. You need to empower them. You need to let them know if they have an ethnicity. You need to teach them their background. You need to help them to find their balance and to be grounded. And also, in general, man or woman or whoever you identify yourself with, you need to know your word, know your power, and your willpower, not the power that someone can give you or you can obtain, but what you can give to yourself, the way you empower yourself, the way you receive message, your communication skills. That is the energy. So nurturing, creativity, pregnancy. So those who are in a couple and want to get pregnant, is the week to go for. And parents, to build their communication skills and to help their children to be grounded, to be empowered, to know their worth, to know who they are and where they're coming from, their background. And the next one is Queen of Cups. I'm trying to focus. Yeah, the second one is the Queen of Cups. In the Queen of Cups, she is sitting pretty. I love those tarots. Just look at her. She is sitting pretty in her throne, wearing her crown, but she is nice. She shows compassion toward the needy. She's empath. She's very empathy with the feeling of others. She cares. She cares for herself, but for those around her. She inspired others to be the best version of themselves. But at the same time, she's not the selfish, but the one that she put herself first. She put herself first. She knows her worth. She knows her boundaries. That's what I was looking for. She knows her boundaries, and she respects that. So those around her also respect it. So what does it mean? So the message for you is to be empath, to be compassionate, to show compassion toward others, but first to yourself, to wear your crown, sitting pretty, taking care of yourself, but not being selfish. Show compassion to the feelings of others, how they feel, be a good listener. Not a judge, not a lawyer, but just a good listener. And also it could be that this week a woman, a very mature woman in your life, and it could be a woman or a person, let's just say a person, will be showing you those energies, supporting you, caring, being caring toward you. So look forward to it. And the third one is Four of Pentacles. Pentacles. Yeah. Possession. Being dependent on something. For example, I just hear it. For example, those in toxic relationships, romantic or family, friends, any type of relationship, or it can be the relationship with yourself. Those who are in the toxic ones, you are being focused on it, like being possessive, or holding on toward it, knowing that if you, like, believing that if you leave it, there is nothing out there for you. Ce n'est pas vrai. Vous êtes bien entouré, vous êtes jamais seul. Vos anges, vos guides, vos ancêtres sont toujours là pour vous. Vous êtes jamais, jamais, jamais seul. Jamais. So it's time to let it go. It's time to have a new beginning. See, like, she's so focused on that one thing, and it could also mean for the business-minded people that the ideas you have, the energy that you are holding yourself to, it's not working, and it's time to let it go. It's time to have a new perspective. It's time to feel free. Yeah. And the last of the tarot is the devil in reverse. And the devil in reverse is independence, freedom, new beginnings, new people, new energy, overcoming some addictions, overcoming your shortcomings, overcoming anger, overcoming difficulties, financial problems, all that you have been, you feel that you were trapped in it. Is the week to free yourself, is the week to seek for help, is the week that the abundance of freedom, the abundance opportunities to overcome your difficulties. So if you are remember what we said about the Four of Pentacles? Possession, possessive, addiction, etc., etc. And we have the devil in reverse. To overcoming is the week to overcome all that you have been holding on, all that is no longer serving you, being beneficial to you and your highest good. It's time to let it go. Wow, I love tarot. Okay, and the two oracle cards that we have, the first one that came is the initiation quoi. Rate of passage, crossing the threshold. I'm trying to focus so you can see it. Can you see? So that you know the for those who have been in the dark, who feared being in toxic environment, being trapped, being seeing only the dark, you know, being in the storm. Now the night has come, the stars, the moons are bright. You have learned your lessons. You have overcome the difficulties. And when the morning comes, you know, the sunshine and there's a light. Thank you. No. Thank you, universe. We are grateful. Thank you. Thank you. And the last one is this beautiful right here, you're safe. Get grounded, empath, highly sensitive, connect with nature. Here, the Queen of Cups, she's very empath, she is very sensitive, and she's wise. And here the last one is empath, highly sensitive, connect with nature. Connect with nature, meditate, sleep, take a nap, eat the food you want to eat in moderate. I know what I'm saying, that in moderation. Connect with your inner temple. Open that door in yourself. Know your power. Know how great you are. Yeah, family. So I will see you next time. So the message from universe this week: nurturing yourself, being a good listener to yourself, but with others as well. wherever you are, and you are very it just came, you are very intuitive person. So listen to what pay attention, take a minute, stop everything, listen what your inner God is telling you. How are you feeling about your friends? How are your energy when you are alone? Those people you loved, but each time your phone ring and you see their name, like you go like that, it's time to think about it. So stay safe. Ashe, ashe, ashe. Blessings and thanks to universe, God of universe, our ancestors, archangels, ancestors, and source of life, Mother Earth. We are grateful for everything. Blessings to everyone. Piao.